In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add money to your Fairmoney account. So there are different options in which Fairmoney actually provided for their customer to add money to their account. And literally, I send money to my own Fairmoney account, and up till now, I haven't received the money. So, but then if you look at the top right, you can see transfer, add money, card, and bills. So I'm gonna click on add money. So once you click on that, you're gonna see this page just like this. You can see choose how you would like to add money to your Fairmoney bank account. You can see add money with bank transfer, add money with card, add money with savings, add money with USSD. So if you click on add money with bank transfer right here, so you're gonna show a page just like this. So you can copy your account number and use it to send money to your Fairmoney account. And if you don't want to follow this route, you can add money with your card. So you can see how much you would like to add. So put in the amount. Let's say you want to add 2,000 naira, for example. Okay, so you have to add a card. You can see no card added. Tap add new card to add card to your Fairmoney account. So once you add card, you can put in the amounts you want to add. Then you can select the card and click on next. Then they're gonna send an OTP to your bank, which of course you link the card to. Then you'll be able to receive the code and input the code there. Then you'll be able to add money to your Fairmoney. And if you want to follow the add money with savings, so you can see I don't have any money in my savings FairSafe account on Fairmoney, so I can't actually add money through that. Then you can also see add money with USSD. So enter the amount you want to fund. So let's say 2,000 naira, for example. Then it's gonna generate a code. If you are using Access, if you are using Diamond, FCMB, you can see there are a lot of banks out there. So you can use this code to add money from your bank using USSD code, and you'll be able to deposit money to your Fairmoney account.